Welcome! In front of me I have CAT S62 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card on this device. First, we need to open the file manager. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and here tap on Files icon. Now let's, for example, open the images. To do it, tap on this icon right here and select Images, then select Camera folder, for example. As you can see, we have 4 files here. To move them to SD card, we need to select one or multiple. To do it, press and hold on one, and now we can select as many as we want. Then we can tap on this icon right here in the top right corner, the More Options icon. Select option called Move To. Now let's tap on this icon to open the menu and select the SD card. Here we can select the folder we want to move the files into. You can also create new one by tapping on the More Options icon and tap on New Folder. But I'm gonna use the Pictures folder, so I'm gonna select it to open it, and I'm gonna tap Move to move our files into this folder. As you can see, the files disappeared from the Camera folder, and when we go back to Images, the Camera folder will disappear, and we have Pictures folder now. We can open it, and here we have our files. To move them back into the internal storage, we need to select one or multiple, of course, like this. Then tap on the More Options icon, select Move To. Here we need to tap on More Options icon again, select option called Show Internal Storage, because if you open the menu right here, you won't see the internal storage unless you select that option right here. And now when we open the menu, we will see our phone, internal storage. Let's select it, and here find the folder you want to move the pictures into, for example, Pictures folder. And we can create new one, call it Camera. Tap OK. Oh, I missed it, I think. So let's try again. And then tap Move to move our files. Now let's go back to Images, and here we have Camera folder, and here we have our files. And that's how you move the files from the internal storage to SD card, and other way around. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.